This is our third problem from the exercise 2.3. Our problem is a function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the value of f of 0, f of minus 1 and f of minus 3. So this is a very simple problem. And sorry, f of 7. Okay, f of 7 and f of minus 3, very simple problem. Here we use this function, this real valued function. Our function is become f of x equal to 2x minus 5. We have to find f of 0. Here we write 0 instead of this x, so we can proceed the same in our problem also. That is 2 into 0 minus 5. We replace this x with 0 because here in our question, here 0 in the place of x. So we can replace this x with 0. 2 into 0, 2 is multiplied with 0, we get 0 and minus 5. Our answer become minus 5. So it is very simple problem. We use the same method to solve the second one, that is f of 7. f of 7 means that we replace this x with 7. That means 2 into 7 minus 5, which is equal to 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9 is our answer. Okay. Then we move to the next problem, f of minus 3. Same like the above type. f of minus 3 is equal to, we replace this x with minus 3. So our question become 2 into minus 3 minus 5. 2 into minus 3, what is the answer? 2 into minus 3, that is always minus 6. Minus 6 and minus 5, what is the answer? Minus 6 minus 5, which is equal to minus 11. This is very simple problem. This type of problem can be usually asked in your board exam. So we have to move to the next problem, that is, this is our fourth problem. The function t, which maps temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit, is defined by, our function is t of c is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. Find the value of t of 0, second one t of 28 and third one t of minus 3. And the fourth one is find the value of c when t of c equal to 212. So here is 4 sub question. So we first solve these problems. These 3 types are same like that, t of 0, t of 28, t of minus 10. We have to find this value of these 3 sub questions, same like the above problem. Okay, we first write our real valued function. What is the real valued function here? T of c is equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, then move to our answer. We use the same method as above the problem. So we replace here the c with the 0. Okay, here we have to find the value of t of 0. So that is 9 into 0 divided by 5 plus 32. We know that 9 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, then 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0 plus 32. 0 plus 32 means 32. 32 is our answer. This is very simple form, and we use the same method of the next sub question. What is our next sub question? We have to find the value of t of 28. So same like that, t of 28 is equal to 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, 9 into 28, what is the answer of 9 into 28? That is 252 divided by 5 plus 32. Next we move to the LCM part, because here is only one number has the denominator and this is also 1. So we equalize these denominators of these two terms. Okay, which is equal to 252 plus 32 into 5. 32 into 5 all divided by, that is equal to 5 is our denominator. We have to equalize the denominator of these two terms, which is equal to 252 plus 160 divided by 5. What is the answer of 252 plus 160? We add both these terms, that we get 412 divided by 5. This is our answer. Okay, this is our final answer. Next we move to the problem, that is we have to find t of minus 10. That means that t of minus 10 means we replace the c with minus 10, which is equal to 9 into c divided by 5 plus 32. This is our real valued function. We replace this c with minus 10. That is 9 into minus 10 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, which is equal to 9 into minus 10. What is the answer of 9 into minus 10? That is equal to minus 90. Minus 90 divided by 5 plus 32. Next step is equalize the denominator. That means that we have to find the LCM and equalize the denominators of these two terms. Here is only 1 5 is the denominator in this term, and in this section is 1. So we just multiply both. That is equal to minus 90 plus 32 into 5 divided by 5. This is our final answer after finding the LCM, which is equal to minus 90 plus 32 into 5. We know the answer 160, all divided by 5, which is equal to, here one is a negative number, another one is a positive number. So we subtract, and after we put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, here is a bigger number is 160. So we first find the subtract these two numbers. We get 70. 70 divided by 5, which is equal to 14 is our answer. 14 is our final answer. Okay, clear it. Then in our fourth sub question, it is a little different from the above three problems. We use the same method and little change, and two or three steps can be changed. Okay, then we move to the fourth problem, fourth sub question. What is the fourth sub question? T of c is equal to, first we write the question here, 9c divided by 5 plus 32 is our question. Okay, then in our first question, the value, find the value of c. This, we have to find this value of c when T of c is equal to 212. Here is only we give the final answer of this T of c. That is we replace this question with 212. Okay, 212 we can be right in the place of T of c of our question, which is equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. This is our in this type we have to change our question. Okay, because they given in our problem is T of c is equal to 212. We have to find the value of c. Using this form, this equation, we have to find the value of c. Okay, then move to our answer. 212 is equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. Because we write like this, then in our question they given that T of c is equal to 212. Then we replace this T of c with this number. Okay, after that we put 9c divided 5 here, and we move this 32 in the which side? We move this 32 in this left side of the equation. That is equal to 212 minus this plus can be moved into the left side. This plus can be changed into minus. That is equal to 212 minus 32 is equal to 9c divided by 5. Okay, clear. After that we subtract these two numbers. What is the subtraction? 212 minus 32. What is the answer? 212 minus 32. We have to find that 212 minus 32 is equal to 180. 180 is equal to 9c divided by 5. This is our next step. After that, we using this form to find the value of c. That is equal to, we just multiply these two terms. That is 180 into 5 is equal to 9c. This is our next step, which is equal to 180 into 5 is equal to 9. Here is a multiplication, which move this multiplication in the opposite side of the equation, equal to sign. This multiplication can be changed into division. That is 180 into 5 divided by 9 is equal to c. We find the value of this term, we get the answer of c, which is equal to 180 into 5 divided by 9. 9 can be divided in 180 20 times. After that, 20 into 5 is equal to 100. 100 is the final answer of c. We find the value of c. This is the simplest method to find the value of c using the real valued function. If you have any doubt about this problem, please comment on my comment button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.